song is for those who inspire us today, who'll always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You
We need About the meaning of the Sonnet 29, let's first unlock the difficult words from these beats. Here is the list of the difficult words you can find from this poem. So, let's find out what does it mean by loud, ensure, tidy, minute, man, and me, according to how it's used on this week. So, let's check. What does it mean if we say to continue to exist in the same situation? Remember, where is the word doubt? Doubt. And free. Doubt forgive. What in full to exist in the same situation? What is the word being defined by this definition? What do you think? Kingsman, state, and being so much kinsman to the dead.
Kano mo? Oh, kamusta na po pala si Miko?
Hanggang madaling araw, hindi na nakatulog.
Sa CL po ba siya? Binira ko na lang po siya.
You achieve your dream, or you're always achieving your dream. And would you still feel happy and contented if you are sure?
IT po ba siya, ma'am?
Would you
IT
still
po.
feel happy and contented? We found out the real meaning of some of this poem or the message that the persona wants to
Modesty
share.
naman ito. Ay!
Okay, let's find out. Are all assignments here?
Nasasabit sa amin kaya.
Later. Hindi no connection eh. Okay. What did you observe from this poem?
Science yan.
It consists of
Modesty.
how many lines? Okay, exactly. Okay. Assignment is the poem Quiet Modesty. Assignment is the poem consists of how many lines? 14 Okay, first line. What's the percent on this poem? Second line. Next. About the next.
Sabi mo na.
Are there 14 lines on this poem? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, makes you feeling glad. Glad and sad. Grief. No. So you're earth, happy, or you're heaven pure. A. I hope your heaven is the start and June. And June. And being such tidings as our fathers had. I feel rhyme with sad, glad, had. How about the next line? B. Okay. B. Bad. How about the next? Pure. A. Di ba pa pure? A. Okay. How about the next line? To me, the ways of old are daily bread. What terms is Who says B? C. Who says E? Okay, the right one is C. Because bread is not bound with man or ensure or ensure. How about the next line? I guess D. What is the answer? D. Very good. How about the next? And my deep part of living is what they say. Is it that rhyme which I had? No, remember. The next line. It makes me happy that my soul is brave. Brave and brave are right each other. How about the next line? Again, if you want to answer, raise your right hand. What is then? Is it C or D? Rainier. Okay, very good. It's C. How about the last? D. Okay, very good. Remember, in your English case, rhyme words dominate each other. These sonnets are divided into two parts. The first part is divided into 8 lines called octet. While the remaining 6 is called okay. Do you know what is the difference between octet and sestet? From the root word itself, oc and set. Oc means October is 8 months. Therefore, octet is composed of 8 lines. How about set? Therefore, set is composed only of 6 lines. Very good. Now, since we discussed the rhyme scheme of this sonnet, I want you to pick a line from that poem you like most. Mamimili kayo ng line that has a great impact or you like most. For example, I like this line. To me, the ways of the old are daily bread. Yes. Why you choose that line? Very short explanation only. Yes, open. It makes me happy that the soul is free. It makes me happy that the soul is free. Why do you choose this line? Yes. Because the soul is so brave. The soul is brave and great into opening. Who else? Yes. Yes. definition of love?
Love to have no confidence in
To
someone.
have no confidence in someone. I know no, no deeper doubt to make me mad. He don't have the doubt within himself because he has the faith upon his creator. I need no brighter love to keep me pure. Since he has the faith within himself, that love will be enough for him, even though his situation is not that too good compared to the person he has talking with. The next line you choose, to me the faiths of old are daily bread. You say a while back that this land has an impact on you. What do you mean when you hear the word daily bread? What comes to your mind?
Food.
Food? Okay. Another. Yes, Riley? Daily bread. Translated to English. You say food. What kind of food? Is it the material, the food we eat every day, or the spiritual, or the spiritual food we get from church, or whatsoever? Osha? Okay. To me, the faith of old are daily bread, meaning the faith of old, the sayings or the guides from his ancestors are his guide on his life. It serves as guide to him or her. Again? Yes. Okay. I bless their hope, I bless their will to save. What does it mean by that line? Any idea? Okay. Yes, I have an idea of a link. Share it on the class.
He blessed their hope and their faith.
Okay, thank you, Ovalin. Another idea. I bless their hope, I bless their will to save. Yes. What is your idea about the message of this line? Yes, same. Exactly. Okay. I bless their hope, I bless their will to save. Remember the interconnection of lines? Since to me the faiths of old are daily bread. Semicolon, meaning another idea. I bless their hope, I bless their will to save. Since he has the faith of old that serves as his guide for his everyday life, he or she is hoping that just like his or her ancestors will be in that condition that they are contented even though what situation they are when they are alive. Do you understand, honestly? Do you have questions? Let's clear all this, your reactions. Do you have any violent reactions? Clarifications. Next slide. And my deep heart still believes what they said. It makes me, you're on the second part of the sonnet, remember. It makes me happy that the soul is brave. And being so much kinsman to the dead, I walk contented to the people grave. What does it mean by the second part of the sonnet? Honestly. And deep my heart still meaning what they said from the definition. What's the definition of this
Objective.
Wendell, will you read the definition of this word?
Minute and indicative form of
Indicative form of me. And deep my heart still beneath what they've said still lingers. The daily bread that we call again still lingers on his or her heart because it serves as his guide on his daily life. Next line, it makes me happy that the soul is brave and being so much inhuman to the dead. I walk contented to the people gate. Nina said while back that she chose this line as the line she liked most because it seems that the persona speaking on the poem is contented. Even though his or her situation is being deprived or deemed as poor. Do you get it? Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now choose another line that you like most aside from what Nina and Oval had said a while back. What is the line you like most from this sonnet that has a great impact on your life or from this day? Yes.
I need no brighter love to be true.
I need no brighter love. Why do you say so? Why do you choose that line?
This is the pure love.
Pure love. Because of pure love. Okay. How about you, Wendell? What is your favorite line on this poem? What is the line you like most? Stand up, Wendell. Wendell, stand up. Okay, why do you pick this line? Is your earth happy or heaven sure? Stand up, I choose this line because quiet modesty listen to it. Because you love earth and yes. Quiet modesty. Okay, why Daniel? Okay, right number 7.
I don't need their sounds to make me happy because I love myself.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. You need no deeper doubt to make me mad because you're proud about yourself. You said a while back that you're not happy and contented because you did not achieve your dreams yet. But the persona here is happy and contented even though he or she is poor. Because for him,
Gusto nyo
he
ba?
has everything.
Gusto nyo ba?
Especially the way
Hindi, okay.
himself or herself. Do you understand? Yes. Do you have any questions? Okay. Bring up 1 half 3 plus 5. Quiet, modesty. Ma'am, natapos na po kahapon. Okay. Yes, answers only. Who's finished? We'll discuss it.
Ang answer only?
Yes. One half one para to. Kumain ako kumain.
What does
Kakapiling lang.
ayan namin what is
What does it mean? Lang. Oh, dapat na subay nila dyan. Yes, yes, yes. Ay, ang dami bibili ng ulam sa inyo.
wala ka ba yung first one agad?
Depends. It depends. If you want to be the person, if you want the person to be a boy, it can be. If you want the person to be a girl, it can wala naman kapunta. Are you done, Modesty? Uy, sama na, mapunga. Uy, babae. Yes, Mary Jane. Share lang yan daw siya. Sige siya, kagabi. Okay. Okay, sorry.
stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference, you have shaped our minds, you have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference, you have shaped our minds, you have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. As I look back on my life and to the path within my reach, I hope I can change the life of those that I teach. I can make a difference, all I do is try to see a different world through the children's eyes. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.